I've been trying to figure out how to sell on Amazon for a while. This is somebody who's done it before, and the idea is to say, you know what, let me see what I can learn, and if I can't spend my time, I'm gonna spend some few bucks to learn it from somebody who's done it before, and that's why I'm here.
I'm a single mom, and obviously income is important. So I came back and I joined Adam's package, just for the reason of when you have a coaching, it's faster. Obviously, system works, not just for me. A lot of people are selling. Just a matter how fast you want to do it by yourself or with guidance.
At a point in time, everybody gets tired of doing the 9-to-5 job, or you're looking for something for yourself at your own time that you can do from anywhere, anytime. And I think this is it.
I'm here to learn, to understand the internet market. When I hear people say they're making good money for internet, I say how? And everybody has different opinion on it. But I've not really got something. But in the past 3 weeks, I've been looking at the internet trying to see what is out there. It's the first class or workshop I'm coming to that teaches me about it. And I saw the opportunity, I saw the growth, and I said, why not? I mean, money's made, I'll be there.
It's amazing, like Adam, he's not like a professor. He's not talking from from a bookish knowledge. He has been in this industry for maybe 15-20 years, right? He has done it. He has done it on eBay. He has done it on Amazon, right? And he knows his things. And whatever he talks, it makes sense.
Previously I was really nervous and reluctant, and then after the conference was over, I was really, really confident about it, and I ended up signing up, for a package with Adam, and it was really helpful. And all the coaching sessions, mentoring, the softwares, and all the things were really helpful in me getting started.
And I think so far it is going very good because it's just changing the perception, the way of I used to think, before, how to do the retail business, the retail market. It was so difficult, but then after attending this session, I think I have learned a lot because it made me learn how to think in a different directions.
The sky's the limit. So thank you to Adam, thank you to all the coaches that I've worked with, all the support staff. I don't even know what to say. This has been the ride of my life, and I'm so glad it's still going. Thank you.